How to delete a comment in Adobe Acrobat. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to delete a comment in Adobe Acrobat. Comments can be helpful for the collaboration, but sometimes you might want to tidy things up by removing them. Let's dive in. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once the document is open, navigate to the right-hand side of the screen where you will find the comment tool. So you can see I am already inside my PDF. I will show my comment. I only have one comment on this document. You can see a comment icon over here. You can also relate it to the bubble. If you hover around it, you can see the comment from here. So you can use two ways to delete the comment. The first one is simply tap on it and it will open a comment for you. Then you will see a three dots over here. Tap on it and there you can see delete as your second option. Simply tap on it and it will be deleted. The second way is if you have a very long PDF and you can't go to the comment one by one and delete it. In that condition, what you can do is simply go to your right hand side. You can see a list of options over here. So what we need for the comment is this one. Tap on it. As I said earlier, I only have a comment on this one. If you have more than one over here, you will see the whole list over here. Now what you have to do is simply tap on these three dots in the comment, tap on it, and you can see delete as your third option over here. Tap on it and it's deleted. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a comment in Adobe Acrobat. It's a straightforward process that helps you keep your document clean and organized. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.